Solar panels don't run on sunshine, they run on silver. And without it, the entire clean energy transition slows down. When people think about solar energy, they picture sunlight, silicon panels, and batteries. Almost nobody talks about the metal that actually moves the electricity. That metal is silver, and it plays a role no other material can fully replace. Here's the simple version. Solar panels convert sunlight into electrical energy. But electricity is useless unless it can flow efficiently. Inside every solar panel are tiny silver contacts, called silver paste, printed onto silicon cells. These silver pathways collect and transport the electrical current created by sunlight. No silver pathways? The electricity stalls. Silver is the most electrically conductive metal on Earth, better than copper, better than aluminum. In solar panels, efficiency matters. Even small losses add up across millions of panels. Silver's unmatched conductivity means more power, less heat loss, and longer panel lifespan. That's why manufacturers still rely on silver, even though it's expensive. Each solar panel uses only a small amount of silver, fractions of a gram. But here's the catch. The solar industry installs hundreds of millions of panels every year. Those tiny amounts add up fast. Solar is already one of the largest sources of industrial silver demand worldwide. And that demand continues to grow as countries push for renewable energy. You might be thinking, can't they just use something cheaper? They've tried. Copper oxidizes. Aluminum loses efficiency. New materials introduce reliability problems. Some manufacturers are working to reduce silver usage but completely replacing it? Not yet, and not without sacrificing performance. Here's where it gets interesting. Most silver isn't mined directly. It's a byproduct of mining other metals like copper and zinc. That means silver supply doesn't automatically increase just because demand rises. So we have a situation where solar demand keeps growing, silver supply grows slowly, and recycling is difficult because silver is used in microscopic amounts. This creates long-term pressure on silver markets. Silver isn't just a precious metal anymore. It's a critical technology metal. As solar expands globally, silver demand becomes less optional and more structural. Silver isn't flashy. It doesn't get headlines like lithium or rare earths. But without silver, solar power doesn't scale. If this helped you understand silver's real role in clean energy, hit like, subscribe, and comment SOLAR if you want the next breakdown on how green tech is quietly reshaping metal markets.